Hello everyone, welcome to OJ Patterns. Today we'll be working on that into styline, and for this design we'll be working on a symmetric design. So we're working on symmetric design for this. So I'll be sketching it out. So this is the center front. Now this is the bust point and this is the bust point. So for this design, from the bust point it comes straight down. I told you it is symmetric, so whatever you have on the left you have on the right. Now for the top, it curves slightly above it and connect to the other bust points. So this is our bust point, this is our bust point. Let me just try and bring it out. So this is the design we're working on. So it is symmetric. By the time if we're doing half of it, whatever you have here is what you have here. So you have your bust point and you have the style line curving slightly above it to make the other. So it's gonna form like an arc. So what you want to do is get your sloper and you transfer your shoulder that to the waist that. So at the end of the day, you can use a pivot method to do this. And if you don't know how to apply check, scroll down to the videos below. You'll see how to transfer your shoulder that to the waist that using your pivot method. It works faster. So this is what I have here. And then I'll transfer it to my pattern paper, my working paper. This is what I'm using. So this is already transferred and this is what we'll be working on. So what you want to do, so we have this design. Let me quickly sketch another. You can just see how it works. This is also a symmetric design, but this time around, instead of the curved arc, it's gonna come out like a diamond in the middle. Here we have a dart, a bust point. So for this design, it goes, this goes from your center front at the top to the bust point. It's a symmetric design, so whatever you have on the left, you have it on the right. Now from here, it goes down to this midpoint. So this is another symmetric design. So I'm using this pattern paper to just show you how both of them will come out because they are alike. Okay, so we already have our pattern paper. So for the first style line, this is the bust point. I'll be indicating the bust point. Now based on the design, from here now we'll curve it slightly towards your center front. So the fact that I'm using, so you ensure at this part it lays down, so it goes flat out at this top part. So for this design, this is all we need. So from here now it flows and flows through the dart. From this it flows through the dart. This is what we have. Next, what I'm going to do is, please indicate your balance mark. You want to indicate it, always indicate it, please, around the bust point area. Next, cut through. Please ensure you don't have any sharp edge. So this is your CF, which is cut on fold. This is your CF. So you label. So this is the unfold symbol here. Same thing at the top. This is gonna be unfold. So this is what we have, and this is our side seam. So we're cutting on a straight grain. This will be cut one piece unfold. Same thing. If we're cutting, we'll be cutting on a straight grain, which is cut one piece unfold. Okay, next I want to close off the waist dart. So I'll just close up the dark leg, hold it. And we'll be attaching it on another paper so that we can add the necessary seam allowance. Okay, for the styline 2, which is the diamond dart, we're using my pattern paper. So don't forget, this is the bust point. Let me just quickly bring out the waist dart. Now we've already transferred it. Now this is the bust point, this is your CF. So all you need to do is connect from the tip of the base of the neck to the bust point, and then from the bust point down to the tip at the waist. So let me use my marker to the bust point, and then from the bust point down. So this is what we have. Next, this is your CF, and this is your side seam. This is the unfold part. So this is cut one piece. This is your side seam. This is cut one piece. Sorry. This is cut two pieces. This is cut two. This is cut two pieces. Okay, so next I'm going to cut out on the style line. And then close up the waist dart. So ensure you close only the dart space, please. And we have the diamond dart. Don't forget, this is a straight grain. This is equally a straight grain. Next, I'll be adding it on the paper so I can add the necessary seam allowance. so this is it for each design, both symmetric design. So we have the diamond. This is it with the allowance added. Don't forget to always have your balance mark squared out before you do any before you start cutting. So we have the other shape. So we have both shapes. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you very much. See you in the next class. Bye.